Ian, the performance and results I'm sure you're very proud of this afternoon.
Yeah, definitely. We've spoken a lot the last week. I'm sure the players are sick and tired of me saying we need to take our chances. I think we create so many, especially in the first half, and recently we haven't been that clinical, and TNS gave us a really tough game last week, a game that on another day we could have lost. So we've spoken about being ruthless, being aggressive, and we were, for 90 minutes, we were unbelievable today. So that's a massive credit to the players.
Well, Jack, nice to meet you. Not the start you would have wanted to face to today.
No, difficult start, but credit to Cardiff. They're a really good outfit, really good players. Obviously, playing them last week in the Cup, we kind of knew what to expect. We wanted a better start after being 1-0 down early last week, and it wasn't the greatest. 3-0 down in 15 minutes, so we had a mountain to climb, but we had good little spells, little positives to take from it, which we'll take into a couple of weeks' time, but it wasn't the greatest of games.
Well, Shannon, a 5-1 win for you here this afternoon, the perfect start for phase two?
Yeah, I couldn't have asked for anything more. I mean, Ian said to come here today and score goals, and that's what we did.
And talk about goals, you scored two yourself, including the opening goal. Talk us through them.
I mean, I've scored all season, and every time I do score, it tends to be on this pitch. So, yeah, the first one just came out from a corner, bottom corner. And then the second one, was getting pulled back, to be fair, but yeah, I managed to get my head on it.
I was going to ask about the second half because I did notice a difference and you were a lot more attacking, and obviously you had a goal back through Caitlin as well. Yeah. So you did grow into the game.
Yeah, a few honest words at half-time, a few things were spoken. It was a really good reaction, to be fair, and if we were in the game. A little bit of change of shape, just being a bit more direct, getting our key players on the ball. We had really good moments, and then to go 4-0 down and to get a goal back, just again, we can't keep being sloppy in our own 18-yard box and then not being cutthroat in their 18-yard box, so it's something we need to work on.
A big game next week, the trophy final, and you must be looking forward to that occasion up in Bangor.
Yeah, it's going to be a brilliant day. It's a good opportunity for us to travel up to North Wales and stay overnight with the group and really enjoy it. And I think everyone's looking forward to it. I think obviously picking a team's the big challenge now because you've got so many players on form, but it's a squad game, and I know that the players will be on it next week.